How to make an express payment. This process is super simple. Step 1, go to the Figures website, and at the top right corner, hover over account, and there's this button that says express payment. Click it and type in the phone number and type the phone number again to confirm. Do the captcha if it shows up on your screen as well. Tap next. And here's all the details of the current plan that the customer has or you have, and you just put in your card number and all the information for that, and then an email if you want a receipt. And don't forget to click this little checkbox to agree to our terms, and then click submit. And that's how you make an express payment.